everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition for you and it is from PrettyLittleThing and it's all Maybelline makeup products. The cost of the box is £15. It contains 5 full-size products and it has a value of £50. Now there's some discounts flying around on the PrettyLittleThing website. If you're new to the website, you can get 30% off. There's also 25% almost everything, and I had a discount code. I had free next day delivery, but if that's still working, then I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as all the other discount codes and a direct link to this box. You'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, I thought this was quite a good one. There's some products in here that I really like, but I haven't got them in the shades. So I thought for £15, I'm gonna get it. Just give you a little sneak peek first. Starting off, we've got a mascara. This is the Falsies Surreal. That's what it looks like. I have not tried this one, so I can't tell you what it's like, but I like the sound of it. Falsies, so hopefully that'll give me thick, long, fluffy lashes. We'll see anyway. So we've got mascara. Then we've got a product that I've already got. This is a SuperStay ink crayon in shade 100 Rich High. Now the one I bought last year is more of a coral colour, but I love a crayon. Just quick and easy to use. Let's see what it's like. It's like more of a rust colour. It's a bit deeper than the one I've got, but no, one I definitely use. You just twist it up. Yeah, really happy with that. We've got a SuperStay ink crayon. Then we got a tattoo brow. I haven't used this before. This is Lift Stick All Day Wear. So a tattoo brow, but it's in clear, so I'm guessing it's more like a gel. Oh, look at that. I wasn't expecting that at all. It's like a balm. Okay. So I'm guessing you rub it into your brows, coat all your hairs, and then using this brush, you just brush your brows into shape. Obviously, you can't see anything, and they should stay put. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it'd be just like a brow gel. It's a brow balm. I keep showing you, but there's nothing to see. Tattoo brow lipstick. Then we got another lipstick. I love these. I've got quite a few of them. The only negative I have to say about these is that after a couple of months, more oil comes out than pigment, unfortunately, but they look stunning. They were huge on social media when they were first released, and I got them in a few different colours. This is the SuperStay Vinyl Ink, and I've got it in shade Captivated. And I don't have this one. Oh, I'm not sure if I like this. Whether it'll be too browny for me. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. That's quite a nice sort of nude, but I'll have to wait and see. Usually sort of browny shades just don't look great on me at all. It's a pinky browny nude. So I'll see. Oh, it smells nice. So you've got a long wear vinyl lipstick. And then lastly in the box, we have got a gel eyeliner. This is Lasting Drama, up to 24 hours. New formula, new applicator, 2 brushes in one to define and smudge. I love gel eyeliner. It's got a little pop of gel there, if I can open it. There. And that's the brush. So dual ended. So you've got a smudger on one end, and then more detailed brush on the other, although I would have preferred this one to be angled. Just makes things a lot easier if it's angled, although it's quite small. Look, it's quite small, so I'm sure I won't have any difficulty, but I just love an angle brush to do in liner. And yeah, I like that, but you can smudge it. Right, you've seen this before me. There. It's nice, but with an angled brush you can get really fine point. But but that's fine. If I don't use the brush, I would definitely use the eyeliner anyway, so it's not wasted. And there you go, those are all the products in the Pretty Little Thing and Maybelline edit. So we've got a Falsies Surreal Mascara in black. We've got a SuperStay Ink Crayon in Reach High. We've got a Brow Tattoo Lipstick, a Eyebrow Balm, and then a brush. We've got SuperStay Vinyl Ink in shade Captivated. And lastly, Larson Drama Gel Eyeliner and double-sided brush. I'm really chuffed with it for £15, plus I had free next day delivery as well, so no extra charges. I do feel like I got a bargain. Yeah, I'm really happy. I can't wait to try the lipsticks to see what they're like on me. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did you go for this box, or are you watching this for the first time thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.